Changing your profile picture on YouTube is a quick and easy way to personalize your channel and make it more recognizable. Whether you're on a mobile device or a computer, you can update your profile picture in just a few steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your YouTube profile picture on both mobile and PC. Let's start with the YouTube mobile app. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device and open your channel's page. Click on the pencil icon. Here you can view and edit additional information related to your channel. To change your profile picture, click on the camera icon located on your current profile picture. Make sure you have a profile picture ready to select. After selecting the image, you can crop and adjust the visible part. After making the adjustments, click on Save as Profile Picture. And that's the entire process of changing your profile picture via the YouTube app. Now, let's move on to the YouTube web platform. Open your web browser, go to youtube.com, and open your channel's page. I've already done that. Then, click on Customize Channel. Here, select the Branding tab. The first option is for changing your profile picture. It's recommended to use a picture that's at least 98 by 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less. Use a PNG or GIF with no animations. Select an image from your computer. Make sure your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. As with the mobile app, adjust the visible part of the image. Updating your YouTube profile picture is a simple process on both mobile and PC. A fresh profile picture can help enhance your channel's branding and make it stand out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.